Hey, cutie. Say, I'm a flower girl. What? I'm a flower girl. You're not a flower girl. You lost the flowers. Oh, lost the star too. You want to sing? Where you going? Come back. What? Where's your flowers, flower girl? Where are your flowers? Yeah. So I can see you clear. Come closer so I can see you clear. Nice wings. Are you a fairy princess? Did you forget how to talk? Ah. Casting a spell? Are you casting a spell on me?